Hello, this is Jonathan, and I am making a video on the unboxing of the Mazda CarPlay Android Auto product. It's a kit. This is the hub that it comes with. You can see the part number and everything here. And when we open it, you'll notice it's not bad. Quality looks really nice. So I'm guessing that's where your phone would go on that USB. And the SD card's a little different than what's installed currently on your car. You can see you put the SD card in there. This covers that. Alright, put that aside. And then it also came with the cabling. So inside this is all this foam, which you'll need to install with the cabling. It's pretty nice. Got some zip ties. And here we go with the document. Genuine USB cable set. So the owner's manual for that. A little thick here. Different languages. So it shows you how to use both CarPlay and Android. Some little bit of troubleshooting there. Alright, and then here we go with the parts list. And then different languages. Alright, and then here we have the actual cable. It appears to be in very good quality. And it's Mazda authentic, it says. Genuine parts. So I'd hope so. Alright. Then this other one came in the box as well. It looks the same as the other. And then also my invoice, which I'm not going to show you. Alright. So that's the unboxing of the CarPlay Android Auto kit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and enjoy. Thanks.